This is a tutorial to copy the header, this header, into your application. So the header will look like this. You pop up, sign up, and a button here also pop up, the login sign up pop up. So the first step is this is a new page. Change the layout to column. It's easier to do the layout to span the header. So go back to this, select the header reusable, select the header, just do copy. Go back to your page, just do a paste. Then you can rename this or leave it like this. Then the header is created. You can see here, it's available below here. So let's go back to the page that you want to put the header. Drag and drop, header is done. Preview, what's this? Okay, so the next step is we want to copy the button. So click on this, the group, so go group A, right click, copy with workflow. Go back to your page, right click, paste with workflow. Go to this action. So somehow this is not copy over. We want to show the login pop-up, so to type login. We are back. Then preview. So let's create a new user. Login, log out. And close this. Button require. Login. Let's login. You are logging. Log out. That's it.